Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I want to show you some of the best prompts that you can use on Gemini on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Now, Gemini can do a lot of things on this watch. It can do simple things on the watch, but I'm going to focus on tasks that are layered, step by step, and complex. So I'll ask it to do several things at once or step by step things and see if it can still follow the context of the task. And I'll be sharing some of the best ones later on in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. What's the weather like tomorrow, and what about the whole next week?
Saturday in Mississauga, it'll be mostly cloudy with a high of 20 and a low of 12.
What about the next week?
Next week, we'll see a mix of sun, clouds, and rain, with high temperatures ranging from 17 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius, and lows from 10 degrees Celsius to 19 degrees Celsius.
What are some of the best sushi restaurants in Toronto?
Toronto has a fantastic sushi scene. Here are some of the best and most frequently recommended sushi restaurants, based on popular opinion and reviews. Sushi Masaki Saito, known for its high-end omakase-only experience with one of Canada's most renowned sushi chefs. It's definitely a splurge, but offers an unparalleled experience.
Can you save the location of the Miku Toronto to my Notes app?
I've saved the location of Miku Toronto to your notes.
When is Pakistan cricket team's next match? And can you send the timings to Junaid too?
Sure. Message to Junaid 2, CA, saying, Pakistan's next cricket match is tomorrow, August 30th, 2025, at 8:30 p.m. plus 5:30 against the United Arab Emirates. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Sending it now.
I'm on my way to the CN Tower. Can you let me know what time does the CN Tower closes and add the CN Tower timings to my calendar for tomorrow?
Sure. Which app do you want to use?
Google Calendar.
The CN Tower is open from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m., with the last entry at 9:30 p.m. I've also added an all-day event for a CN Tower visit to your Google Calendar for tomorrow.
How far away is CN Tower from my location? And if I go the highway speeds, how long it will take me to get there?
Based on your current location in Mississauga, it is approximately 41.5 kilometers to the CN Tower, and the drive is estimated to take about 32 minutes at typical highway speeds, using the Queen Elizabeth Way and Gardiner Expressway.
There's a food festival happening in Toronto tomorrow from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Can you add this in my reminders as well as in calendar?
I have added a reminder and a calendar event for the food festival tomorrow from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. in Toronto.
Start the 2-minute timer and reduce the brightness on the watch.
I've started a 2-minute timer for you. I've also opened the brightness settings on your watch.
Cancel the timer running on the watch.
I have canceled the timer running on your watch.
Start an indoor bicycle activity that can burn calories equal to a pizza slice and resume my Audible audiobook. So here you can see that the Gemini has done both the tasks that I asked it to do. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one and you've learned what fantastic things Gemini can do for you on this watch. It can do simple tasks, but it can also accomplish complex multi-layered tasks as well, which is great. And that's about it from this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.